Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your hours played on your games on your PS5 Pro. So if you just go over the certain applications, if you look in the bottom right, you can actually see the hours played. So for New World, for example, I have 76 hours specifically for that game. Then I can go on over. Here's Astro's Playroom. I only played for 3 hours, so I have to get on that. Then Battlefield 1 on 187 hours. So I can see more games if I go up to the top to my name and then go to profile, then tab over to games, and then you can go through this list. So I have 331 games listed under here, and I can see I have 1,188 hours in Call of Duty Black Ops 4 playing Black Ops mostly. But I can go over to sort by, and I can go to most played or games A to Z or Z to A. And the number one game on my list is Call of Duty Modern Warfare with the original Warzone, 2,219 hours played. So I played that game a lot. I think that was during the sickness that went around, and everyone was off, so we got time to play. But if you look through this list, you can see all the games you were playing. It makes it very easy too. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.